Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing to you a review of the Huanuo dual monitor stand. I purchased it in Amazon and I have to say I am very happy with it. So happy with it that I'm sharing it with you guys. Yes. Now, the only problem I had was with the installation or the assembly, I should say, because the actual base needs to be assembled and it just a couple of different options depending on what kind of desk you have. I did not capture that on video, unfortunately. So with the manual, it was a little confusing to me and it took me longer than what it should have. So what I did was I did make a PDF of the manual. You can find it in my website at imarly.com. And I also made a copy of the page that comes with it that shows the different options. That's directly on the post for this dual monitor stand where you can check it out for yourself. I highly recommend doing that before purchasing, only because it may not be for your desk. You may not want to put it on your desk. The installation for my desk was very simple, and I don't have a fancy expensive desk, so I didn't mind dinging it if I needed to, but unfortunately I didn't have to. It just came out great. So if you look at the picture behind me, you can see my monitors right there. Aren't they gorgeous? I think so. Okay guys, well, thank you very much for checking out this video. We're going to get to the review, but before we go, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. Let's get to the review. Can you tell? I couldn't wait to open the box. I just ripped it apart, grabbed the nearest pair of scissors, and opened it up. Here's where I was thrown off a bit. I looked at the menu and I immediately became confused. After I looked at the manual, I was like, uh-oh. But I proceeded to take everything out the box, and here are the items that were in the box. Before I build anything, I usually make sure all the parts are there. And yes, there they are. I am not going to bore you with details and specs. For that, you can head over to Amazon or you can check out my blog post. What I will say is, it's awesome. It fits perfect. My monitors, I can move them anywhere I want. I don't have to worry about them falling off, and they are secure and very adjustable. Overall, I am very happy. In conclusion, I highly recommend Huanuo dual monitor stand. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much for watching. This is Marley. Bye for now.